So here's a curious question. Does anybody else make random noises while they play games? Like, if there's
Absolutely.
no
Oh,
sound
yeah.
effects, do you make noises while you play games?
Yes,
Yes.
that's why I have to play music, so I don't just do that the whole time.
Wait, so you try to cover up the noises you make?
No, that way I'm singing instead of like just making noises.
Oh, okay. Because I do both. Like if you go really fast, going meow, meow.
Oh,
How is?
absolutely.
Yep. Are you really going as fast if you aren't making the neom sounds? The answer is
It
no.
definitely adds to the experience,
It does.
for